Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the language in the YouTube app on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video, write your comments after watching, and let's get started. So friends, I'm going to show you two methods how you could change the language on your YouTube. So let's say when you open up your YouTube and you see that you have all of your settings here. Let's say like me in English, but you'd like to change it. Then I'm going to help you and show you how you can do that. So the first option is to exit the YouTube app, go to Settings. Next, in Settings, you will need to select General. Then select the Language Region option in General. And now, you'll need to either choose from all the languages that you already have, or choose to add a language. And here you can choose absolutely any language you want. Let's say I'm going to choose Korean. And then you're going to have to click to switch to Korean. So, folks, you're going to switch to the language, and automatically that language will be applied to the YouTube app. But I'll note that this way not only the YouTube app, but your entire device will switch to another language. All the settings on your phone. The second option, how you can change the language, allows you not to change the language on the whole phone, so it might be more convenient for you. To do this, open the YouTube app, then go to the bottom right-hand side, under You. Now at the top click on the gear and also General. Next, select the language of the app here. So you'll be taken to the YouTube settings on your iPhone. And down here at the bottom, you'll be able to find the language. Go to. And in the same way at the bottom, just select any language that you like and that you want. Okay, I found Korean, I'm clicking on it. And now you just have to go back. And keep going back. As you can see, folks, everything is now set to Korean. But the iPhone itself is still in English. So with these methods you can change the language in YouTube app on your iPhone very quickly and easily. I really hope you found this video useful and that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments after watching and also subscribe to our channel. Take care of yourself.